Hello everyone. I would like to introduce PrestaShop one-step smooth checkout module for version 1.7. This module will help you to have efficient checkout on your PrestaShop store. This module will eventually help you to sell more through your website. As an owner, you might have made a big investment on your website, and of course, you would like your website to give you some fair return on your investment. So in this video, first we will look at how the full PrestaShop checkout look like, and then we will look at the screen of this checkout module. So try to look at till the end, as this module really add value to your PrestaShop store, and this is directly involved to sell more or through your website. All right, so let's see how the PrestaShop default screen look like. So this is the screen that I was referring, and if you look at the screen, then you will realize that header is occupying much of the space on the screen, so that your customer will have to scroll down and will have to input their information. And it is also not limited to one step checkout, so that it is multi-step checkout. So first they add address, then they add first they add their details, and then they add their address. Next they will have to choose which shipping method they would like to adopt, and then finally they will see the payment screen. And if you are using third-party payment, so probably one more step will be added, and the customer will be redirected to payment gateway provider. So it will eventually become five-step checkout process. So in this process, your there are more chances that your customer will get confused or will not be able to understand it, because they would be using your site for the very first time. And this kind of process are hardly used by successful stores like Amazon and others. So basically they are using two-step checkout. In first step they will just ask you to add address and some one or two more information, and on the final screen you can see everything on a single screen, so that you can modify the information that you want to and understand that how your order will look like eventually. So let's see how PrestaShop one-step smooth checkout modules screen look like. So here is the screen, and if you will see this screen carefully, then you will see that in the header, which is quite narrow, as it allows us to show some more valuable information to a customer, and they can definitely understand that what is their shipping address, delivery options, payment methods, and everything on a single screen without need to scroll down. This will help them to read the information without any kind of stress, without any kind of confusion, and without any kind of hurdles. And that eventually convert your customer more. And that's what, as an owner, you would be looking for. If you have purchased your theme from developer or from any website, then also you will realize that they would hardly touch the checkout process, because it is really hard to modify the checkout process of PrestaShop without using any kind of modules. And as a designer, it may not be possible for them to look at these crucial steps. So this module will eventually help you to integrate this module with your theme, so that your theme become a perfect package for yourself as an owner, and will eventually help you to gain more business online. So try to compare this module with other alternatives as well if you want to, and consider buying this module. And if you have any questions related to this particular module or process, then try to write me on support@IT-Innovator.co, which is also written into the description of this video. Thank you very much for taking time to have a look at this video, and I appreciate your time and efforts. Thank you.